Hey guys, Shay here from Metra Electronics. Did you know that vehicles after 2018 are required to have a backup camera? So, what about your older model, your SUVs with a spare tire mount? Wouldn't it be nice to add a backup camera? Well, I'm here to tell you about our newest product available from iBEAM Vehicle Safety Systems. It's the TE-ASTCAM, Adjustable Spare Tire Camera Kit. Now, this camera kit is designed to provide the driver with a clear view of their surroundings while parking or reversing, offering the ultimate solution for enhancing the vehicle's safety and maneuverability. This versatile bracket is specifically designed to mount securely to the factory studs of the spare tire mount to over 200 vehicle applications. And with an impressive range of adjustability, it allows the driver to position the camera exactly where they need it. The bracket's camera stem can be adjusted both side to side and up and down, which provides an optimal flexibility and customization for the vehicle. And the head of the bracket is bendable to achieve the perfect angle adjustment for each unique vehicle install. The included camera offers a 170-degree field of diagonal view, ensuring a wide coverage area to minimize blind spots. And the camera delivers an excellent low-light capability to allow drivers to navigate safely in dimly lit areas or during nighttime parking. And when the parking guideline feature is enabled, the driver can accurately gauge distances and maneuver the vehicle with ease. Now, hooking up that trailer has never been easier. So whether you're using your aftermarket radio with backup camera input or one of our iBEAM rearview mirrors with built-in monitor, you now have the convenience of a backup camera in your vehicle. So check out this product and our other iBEAM products online at ibeamusa.com.